This is LeaderSoft School Deluxe version 1. Fresh install, and we're going to be looking at setting the databases up and getting the program up and running for the first time. So we're just going to follow this course through. It's going to take us about 10 minutes. So first of all, we're going to click the next box in the corner. That will take us to the admin screen. Once we come into the program setup program, we just want to click the continue setup, the button on the right side near the bottom. This takes us to the program setup details, where we're going to actually set the databases. First of all, we're actually going to add a car to the driving school list. So let's click the button at the top corner there, and we're going to click the add and remove car from list. Add a new car to the list. Now we need to add the new car details. Okay, so add your car details, just fill in all the boxes as much as possible. Then once you've done that, click the add new details in the bottom right hand corner. Once we've added the details, just click the add new details to the bottom right hand corner there to close and save the details. Need to add car mileage. Don't forget to put the car mileage in. We've got our first car set up. Okay, we can close that screen by clicking the red cross in the top right hand corner. Next we need to just fill in the details of our business, what we need to fill in. If you've got a business registration, you need to put your account number in the top there and your VAT number. If you're not VAT registered, then just click the no button there, okay? And bank details if you need to put them in. You don't have to add them if you don't want to. Got a few boxes on the right hand side there. The business start date. You need to add your business start date. So when you started your business. So we're just going to put a date in there for now. Any date. And the tax year for when the tax year started. So the tax years run from April to April. Let's put the tax year in for this year. And the VAT rate. You have to double click the box for the VAT rate to get the percentage in. And the holiday entitlement year when you start. That's generally usually from the same as the tax year. And apply changes once you've changed everything what you want to save. You want to go through the other tabs. We've got the business details, check there, the business details there, and also the email address and stuff if you need to add that in. If you click the business logo there, you can add a nice little logo. We've got the our own School Deluxe logo. But you can select by going to the load logo button there and searching for your own logo, or we can design one for you. And we have the lesson price and offers set up. So list there. These are our prices, what we set up actually on the database. Obviously you'll need to change them for your own driving school. You've got your hour lessons, there's your mail. If you just double click it, that'll open up a window. You can change the prices. Lesson standard rate about £20, student rate 15, OAP, OA pension, and the friends rate. So you can change the rates to suit yourself, which obviously will be part of the program once you're up and run. You can either save and close or click the red arrow in the corner. You have your block discount lessons there, and the sessions as well, which is for intensive courses. You can change, make sure if you're doing intensive course setup that you make sure you put the hours in there for the length of the actual lesson per session. Or you can add your own new ones by clicking the add new products. So if you wanted to add a block discount for a 2-hour lesson, you could do that by just clicking the box and starting a new fresh account there. You need to select the code hourly lessons independently. The codes are there on the side to give you an idea of what type of lesson choices they actually are. So once you've gone through the prices and put your own prices in for your own driving school, then you're ready to move on to adding your first driving instructor. To do that, first of all, you need to click the cross in the corner, and that'll take you back to the main menu. Once you're back into the main menu, if you want to get rid of that box that's covering the actual menus up there, if you click the do not show again there, then the program will not show that ever again whilst it's on this install. If you click the cross, then it will vanish. You've got some helpful instructions available on the left hand side which can help. You can always recall these by clicking the first time setup button there, and that helps. It'll come through the program as you need to use it. You also got tool tips, which is on at the moment, so if you go down you'll get a little tip on the side just to let you know of what actually is happening with that particular menu.